This is a real fire. That's a digital one. Now, you're trying to create something real using a digital assistant with no soul. I'm going to show you in 4 simple prompts how to put the soul back in your writing, back into the way you communicate. Let's go. The first prompt is voice capture. So you want to give an email, some sort of correspondence you have written, the more the better. The AI, in this case, ChatGPT 5.2, can learn your voice. I put in an email that I wrote to my sister. Hey, Lisa, I miss you so much. I'm sorry you live so far. We have to connect soon. The girls want to get together. Andrea is asking me every day when she can go see her cousin. That is not really what's important because you're going to be using your own writing, obviously. What is important is this part, what we call voice capture. This is the essence of the first prompt. So this is the part that's really important. Analyze my writing style from the above sample email. Identify my unique patterns, sentence rhythm, vocabulary choices, how I open and close thoughts, recurring phrases, and emotional tone. Create a style guide I can reference. Voice capture. We hit that, and you'll see it created a voice capture. Core voice identity for me, Ali Mack. So tone, warm, informal, high energy. How did they know? How did it know? Emotionally open. Persona, busy, ambitious, family anchored, human driven, realist. Oh, I like this already. Vibe, quick check-in from someone who loves you but is juggling. Wow, I feel like they stole a piece of my soul here. So they go on to talk about sentence rhythm and structure, common rhythms, vocabulary, and language choices. Ambition, 1 million followers in 2026. Please like and subscribe. Opening style, I'm not going to read everything here, but you see, it has taken so much from my one piece of writing that I gave it. Imagine if I gave it even more writing, it would really hone in on my voice and my writing and my speaking style. So thought transitions, recurring themes and motifs, humor style, emotional tone, and closing style. And it's not done. Signature moves, 1 sentence voice summary. So writing do's and don'ts. Do write like you're talking fast. I skip this. Thought overlap. Let thoughts overlap. This is me. I'm just, guys, sorry. I'm scared of reading this. This is like insane how it's taken so much. I'm going to call this not voice capture, soul capture. This has captured my soul in 1 email. And again, 1 sentence voice summary. Affectionate, fast-moving, slightly chaotic messages that blend love, ambition, humor, and everyday life, written the way you actually talk. Wow. Okay, so prompt 2 is story. I need to connect with people considering a digital fitness ebook. Ask me 2 questions about my personal experience with this problem, the frustration I felt, the moment things changed, what I wish I'd known earlier, then write a 50-word intro in my voice using the style guide we just created. So let's see how it does. I heard something today that said Nike doesn't sell shoes, it sells story. And I really believe that because we wanted to be like Mike, not just wear the shoes for the shoe's sake, but they sold the story of Michael Jordan, the greatness. We wanted some of the greatness of Michael Jordan, some of us, even though I'm a LeBron fan as well. But we wanted that MJ greatness, so we bought the shoes. So it's telling you to sell your story, put the soul back into your writing. So first 2 questions. What was the exact frustration? What changed the game for you? So it's going to use my answers from the 2 questions to create a story for me because, we want to write stories that sell. So what was my frustration? I'm going to say time and injuries. It already has my voice, so I don't want to or don't need to expand. And what changed the game for you? So what changed the game for me? Finding purpose changed the game. So let's see what it says. Now it's going to write my intro. I didn't lack effort. I lacked time and kept getting injured. That cycle messes with your head. What changed everything wasn't another program. It was purpose. Once I knew why I was training, everything clicked. I'd wish I'd learned this years ago. Story. We are getting story now, folks. And prompt 3 is objection handling. So you're trying to sell, you must be ready to deal with objections. So we want to get ahead of it here with prompt 3. My audience hesitates because they don't have time. Write 2 different responses in my voice, one using a personal analogy and one reframing their concerns as an opportunity. Keep each under 50 words. Okay, so here are 2 under 50-word responses, both locked into my voice and rhythm. Personal analogy. I used to say I didn't have time to, between work, kids, injuries, life. The truth, time wasn't missing. Direction was. Once I stopped chasing workouts and started training with purpose, the time showed up. Now, reframe as opportunity, empowering. Not having time isn't a weakness, it's the signal. It forces you to train smarter, not longer. When time is tight, purpose matters more than perfection. That's where real consistency actually starts. So amazing. They're giving us analogies that we can use that are both relatable, human, and empowering. So this is putting the soul back into your writing. And finally, the last prompt is conversion close. Okay, so prompt 4 is conversion close. So using everything above, write a final 60-word message that guides someone from "this sounds interesting" to "I'm ready to buy." Include my story element, address the main objections naturally, and end with a clear next step. Make it feel like I'm talking to one person, not a crowd. So important when you are selling, to speak to one person like I'm speaking directly to you. Okay, here we go. I was step 2, no time, constant injuries, starting over. What changed wasn't more workouts, it was purpose. Once I trained with my life instead of against it, everything clicked. If that sounds familiar, this is for you. Grab the ebook and start today. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. I'm hoping that you were able to connect with some of what you heard. Please try it yourself and let me know. And let me know if you want the prompts. I'll give them to you in the comments as well. Thanks for listening.